Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third part of this summer makeup series. And today I will be creating a beautiful pink eye makeup look, and again I will use this eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil, as I've used in the first video to create the green one, and today I will be using the pink colors this palette has, and I'm so excited to do that because I think a pink eye makeup look is just perfect for the summer. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into creating this eye makeup look, and I'm taking this hot pink color and I'll apply it with a fluffy eyeshadow brush all over my eyelid and blend it out towards my brow bone. And the same color I will apply on my lower lashes as well. And now I will mix two colors, two shimmery colors actually, these two, and the darker one I will apply here on the outer corner of my eye, and the lightest one on the inner corner, like on the other half of my eye. So to finish off this look, I will add some mascara and a lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lipstick that I use is just gorgeous. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but I'm just obsessed with it. And it's this one by L'Oreal. I will be linking it down below. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it for you really quick. This is how it looks like. I don't know, but I am literally obsessed with it. So beautiful and so sparkly. I just love it. Okay, so this is what I've used on my lips, and also every product that I've used I will be having down below, so make sure you check that out. And let me show you up close. So this is how the eye makeup looks like. I think it came pretty good. I just love it. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me, and I will see you tomorrow with the fourth makeup look. Bye.